Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add app screen button to home screen on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone and this is my home screen. As you can see that there is no app screen button on my home screen. And if I want to open my app screen, I have to swipe up my screen like this, and then the app screen will be opened. And I'm going to add my app screen button to this home screen so I can click on it to open my app screen. If we want to do that, first thing first, we need to tap and hold on any empty area on our home screen. Then we can go to the setting right here, open the setting, and you just need to click on show app screen button on home screen. You can click on this option, click on this toggle button to activate this app screen button on our home screen. And after that, I'm just going to check it on my home screen. Okay, and this is the app screen button. I'm going to click on it to open my app screen. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can add app screen button to home screen. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.